Okay, everyone, I have a 2023 Kia Soul. I want to reset the service required light. What you'll do, got my key on. Come over here. You'll press your page button. User settings. And then you'll scroll down. Convenience. Same button, press OK. Scroll down. Service interval, press OK. Down, reset. Press your OK button. Reset time and distance, yes. That should be it. Let's go ahead and turn her off. Start her up. No lights came on, so we are good. That is normally for your tire rotation, air filter, cabin air filter, and it does vary. Check your manual of the things that you should be checking for that. Your oil life is that's a different one. It won't be this one. I do have a video on that too.